Let's talk about the latest launched Infinix smartphone Note 50X 5G Plus with exquisite vegan leather and metallic finishes design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, 6.67 inches HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, approximately 90.2% screen to body ratio, approximately 263 ppi pixel density, 672 nits peak brightness, and 120 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone, the smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear. That includes 50 megapixel wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.6, along with auxiliary lens, camera and dual LED flash. For selfies it has 8 megapixel centered punch hole front-facing camera. With aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 2K at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of XOS 15 screen on top the device, and the company provides up to 2 years of major Android upgrades and up to 3 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.5 GHz quad-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultimate, 4nm chipset, paired with Mali G615 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6GB, 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 6GB, 8GB of extended RAM, and 128GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB of hybrid microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.42 by 76.41 by 7.98, or 8.18 millimeters, and it weighs around 195.4, 198.9 grams, and the color options, titanium gray, enchanted purple, sea breeze green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5500 mAh battery with 45-watt wired fast charging, 10-watt reverse wired charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes hybrid dual SIM 5G plus dual band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers. Support, USB Type-C charging port. AI features include AIGC portrait mode, in the camera, AI wallpaper generator, AI note, Folax AI voice assistant and AI gallery, AI eraser, AI cutout. It also has writing assistant, document assistant, call assistant, social assistant, and circle to search, IP64 dust tight and water resistant, military shock grade durability support, and infrared remote control support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Infinix Note 50X 5G Plus has been priced for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 11,499 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 12,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Infinix Note 50X 5G Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.